Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining, and thank you for trying with me if you do.
Yeah, I'm about to try this girl. I don't know it, but I'm the champion, you know. Not champion. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you heard what they say. Oh, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Ain't that a shame?
I know it.
I've been good for some time. I'd be lying if I said that you ain't on my mind. And kinda give it some time. Feeling like I'm running away. Never had a chance to say. I can say that I love you, it's easy.
I don't need to really say the name. Somewhere along the way, I've been down under my skin. I put my thoughts on the table. You ain't never gonna show your hand. I'd rather close and try to understand. Try to understand. Try to understand. I'm gonna try, baby, try my best. Morning sun, morning night. Oh, I think they say it's for my best sky. Oh, no need to think about fire, baby.
Would you say sorry? How you love to smile and watch the clouds reside. Just trying to give it some time. Feeling like I'm running away. Never had the chance to say.
I can say that loving you is easy. I don't need to prove a single thing. Somewhere along the way, I guess you got under my skin. I pull out my car out on the table. You ain't never gonna show your hand. I will follow you close back. Right on the stand.
I put all my cards out on the table. You ain't never gonna show your hand. I would rather hold you close and try to understand. I can say that I love you, it's easy. I don't need to prove a single thing. Somewhere along the way, I guess you got under my skin. I put all my cards out on the table. You ain't never gonna gonna show your hand. I would rather hold you close and try to understand. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for trying with me if you do.